Today I've got a tire. It's been losing air slowly, just has a small leak. So in order to find it, I'm going to use basically dish soap mixed with water, just in the spray bottle. Shake it up a little bit. And I'm just going to spray this tire. I'm just looking for some bubbles that are moving. You can see right here, I'm getting bubbles moving pretty fast. So I'm going to have to figure out a way to patch that. It's a really small hole. I think I'm gonna have to make the hole bigger in order to patch it. So it turns out there's a really small pin or nail right there. It may not even show up on the video. I'm going to take a picture of it and I'll show you that. Let's see, that's very small. So I've got this tire plug kit I've used before and it's worked well. Because the hole is so small, I've got a drill bit. I'm going to drill this out so I can use the reamer that comes with the kit. Just so you can see, air is really blowing right now. Okay, I don't know if you can hear that, but it's blowing pretty good. I'll put my drill bit over the hole. It actually stops. See if I can get that. You need a little bit bigger drill bit. So I got this tool that you use to insert the plug. Just using these pliers to keep it, to help get it in there. Open those jaws up a little bit more. You're supposed to put it about halfway. Contact cement on both sides. Put it in about 2/3 and then pull it straight out. So, we'll see how that works. Make sure there's plenty of it on there. I think this is probably going to be the last time I use this cement. I got about 2 of them out of it. This is only the second one I've done. It's nice and covered. So here we go. Oh gosh. Man, probably should have made a little bit bigger hole there. Alright. So there we go. We'll pull that out. So I'm going to inflate this tire and see if it holds. Let's see if we got any bubbles. It's looking pretty good there. Alright, so I'm going to cut that off. There we go. Well, that's a patch tire. I was surprised how small that nail or pin or whatever it was. That was pretty thin, but it was causing a leak over time, so. Well, I'm going to mount this tire back up there, and before I drive that, I'm going to check the air pressure just to make sure. Thanks for watching. Until next time.